awkward moments tayo ngayon That awkward moment when you get caught staring at your crush. Awkward yan That awkward moment when someone asks you, "Do you remember me?" and you have no clue who they are. That awkward moment when you see a teacher somewhere other than school and you don't know what to say. That awkward moment when you're talking about someone and they're right behind you. That awkward moment when someone's trying to act like they know your best friend more than you do. That awkward moment when you see a 10-year-old with a better phone than you. It's so hard. That awkward moment when you used to be friends start talking about you to your right now friend when you are motherfucking rude. That awkward moment when you only recognize someone from Facebook creepy, but you say hey to them anyway. That awkward moment when you finish a math problem and your answer isn't even one of the choices. That awkward moment when you're that friend who always gives relationship advice but is still single. Medyo hard. That awkward moment.